Hey everybody, Joel Hansen here. Today we're at the Dorsey House it's like close to Port Huron, Michigan. I might be in Port Huron, excuse me. Anyway, we're here at the Dorsey House to try their big pizza challenge. It's like a 7.5-pound pizza. It consists of 8 toppings, it is 23 inches, and it's just loaded. So we actually have a wall of fame right here. A few familiar faces. We have Stephanie Wu. There is Ramsey the Mantis Hilton. So yeah, there's been about 4 winners out of about, I believe it's 47 attempts, so about 4 out of 50. We're gonna go see what we can do. Current record is about an hour. You do have 90 minutes to complete it, and if not, the meal is $37. So let's see what we can do. Let's start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video as we are at the Dorsey House in Clyde, Michigan. Yes, I looked up the name of the place to try their big 23-inch pizza challenge. So this is a loaded pizza, loads of toppings. You're going to definitely see that. You do have a 90-minute time limit, so definitely a good amount of time. Previous record was sitting about an hour. So I did this pizza challenge after doing a very small contest earlier in the day, which you will have to stay tuned to find more information about. But digging into this pizza, first bites were absolutely great. It was a little later in the evening, so I was definitely very happy that they could accommodate me. At this point, it was probably about 10 p.m.
Are falling all over the place. About 2 minutes ago.
And yeah, I have absolutely no complaints. I was thoroughly enjoying this pizza. It was very fresh, not too thick of a crust, which is my preference, and just loads of fresh toppings, which I did get a pick. I had to pick 8, and there was probably, I don't know, let's say 12, 13, 14, 15 options. So I generally went with pepperoni, there was ham, I had mushrooms, olives, green peppers, tomatoes. I went with pretty much everything you could. So with that, everybody, I'll let you get to the rest of this challenge as you watch me eat the remainder of this 7.5-pound pizza, and hopefully I can complete it. At that, everyone, I'll let you get to the rest of the video. much left. All right, everyone, so just finished the challenge. Somewhere between 13 and a half, 14 minutes. Very good pizza. Whew, very good pizza. Really enjoyed it. Also, huge shout out to everybody here cheering me on. Really, really cool. Great little crowd. Looks like they had some maybe baseball today, something like that. Did you guys win?
Yeah.
Well, congratulations. No? Oh, okay, well, I'm sure you're a winner anyway. So with that, everybody, for completing the meal, you get pizza for free. I believe you get a t-shirt, and that is a new record. So with that, everyone, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay happy, healthy, hungry, and happy eating. Here's the shirt. It says, I conquered the 23-inch pizza challenge. So that was pretty cool. Definitely a nice pizza. Okay, you said great staff, great people here. It's like, I don't know, probably 10:30. Yeah, it's like 10:30. I really need to get home. I have to get up early tomorrow. The sides of my mouth are all cut and burnt from the falafels earlier. And then the pizza sauce just like irritated it. Like that whole time I was just like wincing. So anyway, let my mouth heal up a little bit. But yeah, huge thanks. If you're ever in the area, definitely stop here. Really cool place. Like I said, good food. And cool challenge. So that, everybody, I already said bye. Extra special shout out to my little posse here today. So, you know, shout yourselves out, guys. There you go. So like I said, really cool crowd. Had a great time here, and until next time.
Subscribe.
Yeah, thank you.
That's why I'm doing it.